Let's go ahead and do a review of Rumble Studio, which lets you conduct remote interviews and product podcasts in a snap. It's alternative to Podcastle, Riverside FM, and Video Ask and would be best fit for podcasters, content creators, and marketing agencies looking for a faster way to produce high-quality podcasts. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into Rumble Studio and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $69, and for $69 you will get 1 seat, 10 exportable hours per month, 3 brand kits. If you go for license tier 2, you will get 3 seat, 50 exportable hours per month, 10 brand kits, white labeling. Want to get an extra 10% off AppSumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. Rumble Studio is an audio recording solution that lets you conduct remote interviews and produce content quickly. Whether you're producing a podcast, conducting job interviews, or collecting testimonials, Rumble Studio makes it easy to prepare and record interviews asynchronously. You can build an interview landing page to ask questions and collect responses in multiple formats, all without any coding. Get started by using one of the tool's interview templates, or enter your own custom questions via text or audio. Your interview link allows your guests to answer prompts by recording or uploading audio, answering multiple choice questions, or submitting text, images, and videos. Rumble Studio gives you different ways to share your interviews, so you can easily interview individuals or multiple guests at once. Share invitation links by email or social media, or even embed interviews on your website to let participants submit responses on their own schedule. Your guests can automatically record and transcribe unlimited audio clips, so every submission is a breeze to review later. And thanks to advanced group permissions, you can collaborate on interviews with team members and review your work with stakeholders. Best of all, responses are organized and labeled on your dashboard, so you can review, download, or mix and match segments from different interviews. Rumble Studio's built-in mixing tool lets you arrange audio clips, record or upload your intro and commentary, and even add jingles or ads to your podcasts. You can also enhance your audio with automatic post-processing, like noise reduction, silence removal, and auto-leveling. From there, you'll be able to export high-quality audio in WAV and MP3 formats that meet industry standards. Rumble Studio is also packed with white labeling features, so it's easy to craft a branded experience for your guests and clients. That means you can remove the Rumble Studio logo from the guest interview landing page to give your podcast that professional touch. Create branding kits with custom logos, color schemes, fonts, and layouts that are consistent across your brand's messaging. When everyone has a podcast these days, you need a secret weapon to help yours stand out. Rumble Studio lets you collect, record, and edit audio content in a flash, so you can boost engagement and build your audience one episode at a time. Launch your podcast with just one tool. Get lifetime access to Rumble Studio today.